$650 million.
Hillary's health is fading fast.
There's a lot of rumors about that. And he has, made it clear that he doesn't particularly care whether Putin and the intelligence services attack American institutions. So, that's some water.
Watch what she does with this water bottle, folks.
Hillary Clinton, her press conference there aboard her new campaign plane interrupted.
It's pretty bad when you can't even talk about Putin because you're too busy coughing. There's no way that Hillary Clinton can do the debates. We see now why she's been hiding from the press.
Happy Labor Day.
Labor Day? Well, that's today.
When we were trying to figure out where we could be, we all said, let's go to Cleveland. And I want to thank Congresswoman Marcia Fudge for hosting us.
Marcia Fudge? Man, it sounds like she needs Marcia Robitussin. This is getting serious. Well, I ain't believing this. I just watched her open up a jar of pickles with my own two eyes. She must be healthy.
I've been talking so...
Oh, I can't watch. This is ridiculous. She's choking on the truth and it will not come up. Man.
Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic.
Well, that was a terrible joke. That was worse than the Pokemon joke. Hey, Hillary Clinton, Pokemon, go to the drugstore and buy you some cough drops.
Allergic.
Oh, no, man. I'm starting to feel sick now.
Boy, we have 63 days to go.
63 days. That's okay. I got 70 cough drops here. I can make it through the whole thing. She's not going to make it 63 days. She's not going to make it to the first commercial of the debates. Hillary Clinton gives a whole new meaning to the term liberal hack.